May mga recipe kahit lumang-luma na hindi pa rin nawawala sa uso dahil sa sobrang sarap niya. Kagaya nitong chicken cordon bleu.
Simpol, luto na,
Ang chicken cordon bleu ay parang fried chicken na may palaman na cheese at saka hamon. So meron akong chicken breast fillet dito na pinukpok ko para lumapad. So nakikita natin siya, flat siya at malapad na. So season na lang natin siya ng konting salt and pepper. Then a little bit of paprika powder. Just a little bit of paprika for a smoky flavor to enhance the flavor of the ham. And a little bit of dried herbs. So yung gamit ko dito, dried basil. Just a little bit pang konting landi sa lasa. Okay? And here we have pieces of ham. So ham piece, we put one in the center and another one. So we're making 2 pieces of the chicken cordon bleu. And we have slices of cheese. So we roll our chicken with the stuffing and secure with a toothpick. So, ito lang yung sekreto niya. Gagamit tayo ng toothpick para to keep things in place. So, we just seal our chicken. Both ends of the chicken. Seal with a toothpick. Then we also season the outer part of the chicken. Same seasoning, salt, pepper, paprika. So we have our mixture here. Breading mixture, we have flour, eggs, and breadcrumbs. So what do we do here? We season our flour. We season our egg as well. No? We toss our flour. And we coat our chicken. First with the flour, all sides. Then, we dip in the egg wash. And we roll on the breadcrumbs. So here, I'm using one hand, and to finish, I'm using the other hand. Para hindi maging sticky ang aking isang hand. So we have a nicely coated roll of chicken. So now we're ready to fry. So yung gagawin natin, nantayin natin uminit yung mantika. Dapat hindi siya sobrang init para hindi siya masunog agad. So medium heat so that you're sure that the crust is crisp pero ang loob is cooked. So ready na tayo. The oil is warm enough, it's hot enough. So we drop our chicken. Every few minutes we turn so that we have an even color and evenly cooked chicken. So we wait for it to become golden brown, but we have to keep turning so that it's evenly cooked. So our chicken, tingnan mo, sobrang beautiful, golden brown, evenly colored. I-rest natin siya bago natin siya i-slice para makita natin yung loob niya. So, kailangan nyo tandaan kung ilang toothpick linagay nyo para alam nyo ilan yung hahanapin nyo din. Chicken cordon bleu, simple! Nagustuhan niyo ba ang video na to? Please share para lalong dumami ang ating mga kasimpol. And don't forget to subscribe to our Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram accounts.